Il-minuta tibda issa. Wioletta Kulewska Akyel, artista. Was there a pivotal moment when you realized that you wanted to become an artist?
I was about 10 years old when I signed up for painting classes at the cultural center in my hometown in Poland. And when I entered the room, I immediately knew this is the world I belong to. The whole room was filled with artworks and it was really magical.
What intrigues you about myths?
Myths are a very important part of our society. They are great teachers and they tell certain truth about the world.
And why did you choose the color blue as a dominant element in your paintings?
Blue is a color of great mystery, and in the Voice of Leda exhibition, it's one of the predominant elements. And the idea to work with blue color came from Mallorca jars, which I came across at Musa Mediterranean collection.